Coming in, Samajwadi Party MLAs protest on the stairs of the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly. The MLAs held the protests over several issues, including the case of adulterated cough syrup. You can see MLAs with cutouts of the cough syrup bottles. Samajwadi Party MLA Mukesh Verma has given a statement on adulterated cough syrups. He stated, and I quote, "For the past 9 years continuously you can pick up any medicine, any syrup, whether it is a proper medical or a generic medicine, there is corruption everywhere." Let's in fact listen into what he has said.
9 वर्ष से निरंतर किसी भी सिरप को आप उठा लो, किसी भी मेडिसिन को आप उठा लो, इथिकल मेडिसिन उठा लो, जेनेरिक मेडिसिन उठा लो, हर में भ्रष्टाचार और इनके लोग पूरी तरह से भ्रष्ट।
My colleague Abhishek Singh joins us for more on this. Abhishek, we're seeing Samajwadi Party MLAs are protesting against the case of adulterated cough syrups, and the party has also come out and said that there is corruption everywhere. All right, so on your screens you can see Samajwadi Party MLAs are protesting against the case of over several issues, including the case of adulterated cough syrup. My colleague Abhishek Singh joins us for more on this. Abhishek, we're seeing Samajwadi Party MLAs are protesting against the government and are raising several issues such as those of adulterated cough syrups, and are also saying that there is corruption everywhere. All right, it seems like we're facing some connectivity issues with our colleague. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching this bulletin. I'll slip into a short break.